What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying, and today's video is about stocks to buy for this coming week, okay? Tomorrow is Monday, and so I want us to be prepared to get back on our A game and do what we do. Listen, guys, if I helped you in any way, but I was help you make some money or give you a new perspective on the stock market, please make sure you like and subscribe and join us on the journey. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay, guys, check it out. Friday, we had a small bounce back, okay? I was beaten down severely on the week as a whole, but Friday, it began to rise a little bit, and tomorrow you will also see a temporary pop as well. So be prepared for that, but be ready to act accordingly, all right? So check it out, guys. For this week, you're gonna have some plays that are still beaten down, but you're gonna also have some plays that are trading sideways. I want you guys to be strategic in how you go about what you do for this week. Matter of fact, I got a couple plays that I want to advise you to at least put on your watch list, if not get you a small position established in or add to your position if you already currently have these plays. Listen, guys, let's jump right into it. Kicking things off with Capital Southwest, ticker symbol CSWC, is currently sitting at $21.90. I'm putting this on your radar because listen, guys, they are coming up on their ex-dividend date, which is March 12th. If you want to be paid the dividend, you need to buy this by March 11th. So I'd rather you on the front end be dollar cost averaging into this play so that you can be accumulating shares of this so that your dividend payout for those that's on my high dividend growth challenge is something to be worthy of, okay? Listen, guys, also, because something you should have noticed is that all of our dividend plays has weathered the beat down much better than some of our other plays, especially our speculative / easy money plays. Make note of that from an investor standpoint, okay? It's important for you to see what's able to withstand a great deal of volatility and what is hanging tough in there, okay? Next up, guys, I have another play for us that I want you to consider for next week, and that play is APXT. APXT is currently sitting at $12.90. This looks so attractive to me at 12. Matter of fact, I always had this at 13. I'm much more into this stock at $12, okay, in the $12 range. Those of you that can scoop up some shares in the $12 range, please consider doing so, okay? Again, it's been a long time coming with this play. However, I'd rather you be in it than for you to not to be in it. I understand if you need to pivot to it, but if you do pivot out of it, make sure that after you run it up in your other plays that you come back to this. And if you can catch it at the $12 range, please do so, okay? Please consider this play in the $12 range, all right? And last but not least, even though Golden Nugget is also in a range, I'm gonna put Tattoo Chef out there. Listen, in the $19 to $20 range, this is one that's much more attractive than when this play is sitting at $23. The valuation makes sense at this level, as well as, again, getting our position established at this price point. So listen, guys, I want you to consider this play at this range. If not, if you can get it better than 20, feel free to do so. 19, anywhere in the 19s is awesome for this play, okay? So again, these are 3 plays that I want you guys to be into, or at least having on your watch list or adding to your position for this upcoming week. Next up is our word of the day, and our word of the day is short-term volatility. Listen, guys, it's important that you are understanding that short-term volatility will take place throughout the stock market. Matter of fact, somebody please mark my word on this. We will have at least 2 to 3 more corrections throughout the remainder of 2021. So I don't want you to look at this and think everything is doom and gloom. I want you to look at this, learn a lesson from it, and then be prepared for the next 2 times this will happen before December, okay? Short-term volatility, flash crashes, and small pullbacks is healthy for the stock market. I need you guys to now listen to everything I've been telling you from the jump, but now I'm going to reiterate it because it should make even more sense now. When you have a chance to add money to your portfolio, please do so that you always have money in your buying power. Yes, it's a way to pay yourself first, but it's also a way to be able to take advantages of short-term volatility, corrections, pullbacks, and flash crashes, okay? I remember some of you saying, I love this pullback, I wish I had more cash. The way you do that is to listen to what I tell you each and every day about adding money to your portfolio, because it adds money to your buying power, as well as making sure that you sell when you're up 20 to 50% in your plays and you're putting some of that money in your buying power. When you hit the home run on some of our option plays or some of our home run stock plays, always pull a portion of that aside for your buying power so that you can be prepared next time for something like this, okay? So short-term volatility is what I want you guys to be mindful of. This will happen a few more times throughout the year. Again, it's on you, it's on us as a family to be ready to take advantage of it, okay? And if you do, you'll be greatly rewarded, because it's the best when these things recover, all right? Up next, guys, we have our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from Edward Johnson. This may sound crazy, but APXT held strong for me, and I was able to move my average cost $2 down, 60 shares total, 65 more to get. Edward Johnson, listen, man, I appreciate you pointing this out. I definitely noticed this as well. Those of you that have gotten the APXT with us at 13, you saw exactly what he's talking about. Those of us have it at the right price, and that's the whole difference. Again, although I'm most transparent with you guys about things that happen, Golden Nugget, for instance, it still has not came down. It touched it temporarily, but overall, it still is not at my average cost. APXT, we got that at $13. APXT is only down to 12. To his point, to Edward's point, it did hold up strong overall, and it allowed for you to average down and grab more shares at a lower price. And that is how you want to move inside the stock market. And those are the type of moves that I want to see you guys embrace, okay? Not looking at it as if it's the end of the world, but looking at it like, man, I can accumulate more shares. Do you have, and you always want to do your check, do you have your 125 shares? Okay, you can always go beyond that. We just use that as the minimum amount we need to get. If you got 125, okay, now shoot for 150. If you got 150, shoot for 175 en route to 200. If you don't and can't get 125 shares in a play like APXT, do me a favor, strive to get 25 shares, then strive to get 50 total, okay? Use these opportunities as a chance to fully build out your positions. You'll be rewarded in the long run, and you'll thank me later. But regardless, we're gonna celebrate together all year long. Listen, guys, I won't belabor the point, but if you have questions or comments, leave them below. I'll grab them and add them to my next video. Listen, I make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.